Come over here. Ira, come over here. Are you walking? Are you walking? Oh, what's in there? Is that the dishwasher? Hey! Hey, baby boy! Are you not such a baby anymore? Are you not such a little baby anymore? Are you practicing for loading it for when you're bigger? Good job. Oh yeah, shut that door.